Sentence connectors link two ideas together. They can be used to provide additional information, contrast ideas, or create a smoother transition between thoughts. But sometimes, we write common sentence connectors like and, because, and so, which makes our writing sound dull. In today's video, we're going to show you 5 powerful sentence connectors that make you write like a professional. In spite of, this is similar to although. This connector expresses a contrast. By contrasting two ideas, it helps you make a more complex sentence and makes your writing sound more professional. Take a look at this example. Sarah was determined to get her degree in spite of the challenges she faced. For instance, when giving examples, we usually tend to write for example. However, we can use for instance instead of for example. Look at this sentence. The new computer chip is very powerful. For instance, it can process data 10 times faster than a standard chip. Due to. This phrase is often used to show that something happened as a result of something else. This is similar to because. Use due to instead of because to make your writing more professional. Like in this sentence, many businesses had to close their doors due to the COVID-19 pandemic. By contrast, this is similar to however. This is often used when you want to emphasize that one thing is different from another. You can use by contrast instead of however. Ice cream is packed with nutrients and vitamins. By contrast, cookies and cakes are loaded with sugar and empty calories. Henceforth, this is similar to from now on. It is a very formal way of saying because of a certain situation, something will happen from this moment and onward. Look at this sentence. The new manager is very strict when it comes to time. Henceforth, all employees must arrive to work without being late. The next time you sit down to write, be sure to use those connectors. If you want to make your sentences flow better and make them even more elegant, then check out this video. And don't forget to subscribe.